The video you're about to witness needs to be in front of a judgment-free audience. This is real life, at home, raw, unfiltered, obviously. At home with water skiing squirrels, getting stuff done, and it's a mess, and it's the morning, and we don't need judgment, right? How much clothes do you accumulate in 2 weeks? If you can't find a squirrel, check your clothes. This is the ugly part of traveling with water skiing squirrels. Normally we do stop at laundromats along the way, but this time, just because we were going up to Minnesota for one show, coming back home, we did not stop at any laundromats, and this is the result. The squirrels love when we do laundry. These are all clean clothes actually on top of the counter. The squirrels love playing in them and hiding. These need to be cleaned. These are travel beds for the squirrel cages, blankets, all the fun stuff. I think the biggest thing is the fact that everyone wants to know what life is like at home. TreeO has a weird nose-picking fetish. If he did meet and greets the way he wanted to, he would be licking everybody's nose. But back to what I was saying, people always want to know what life is like at home with squirrels. What do we do? How are they so friendly? And I think this is why. They are a part of everything we do, just like your cat or dog, and they interact with us all day long. TreeO is definitely a mama's boy, the way I like it. He's gotta be doing everything I'm doing all the time. And if he sees one of the other squirrels on me, he does not like it. And he chases them away. Sorry. Squirrels ate. Now it's just getting things done. You ever just see your pet and you just do this? You just go. You just grab them. You look at them. I say, kiss your belly. I say, kiss your belly. I say, no. And he wants to pick my nose. Yeah. This is why we don't have nice things. And don't look at me like that.